Hi guys, I'm Rohail and I bought the new iPhone 10 and I bought two colors, space grey and silver, and I'm gonna unbox it now. Accessories usually comes with charger, cables and headphones. Some people prefer silver and some people prefer space grey. Which one you like? Comment me. iPhone 10 has a glass front and back surrounded by stainless steel bands. Silver has shiny stainless steel bands. Space grey has much darker vapor coated bands. Now I'm going to switch on the phone. iPhone 10 has no home button and you must swipe up to unlock, as you can see over there. iPhone 10 has dual cameras and both cameras comes with an optical image stabilizer. In iPhone 10 there is no Touch ID and you must use Face ID to unlock your phone. So I'll show you how to set up Face ID. In portrait mode, there's natural light, studio light, contour light, stage light, and stage light mono. The True Depth camera allows you more than 50 muscle movements to mirror your expressions.